Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking a strawberry cream sponge cake. The first time I tried this recipe it came out absolutely delicious, light, fluffy, and my friends and I enjoyed it for a lovely afternoon tea at the end of the summer. Here are your ingredients. Whisk the eggs until they almost double in volume. This will give a much better result. Mix the cake mixture really well, guys, either using a wooden spoon or your electric mixer. The result you're looking for is a consistency that sort of drops, so the mixture should drop off the end of the wooden spoon. First time I made this, I didn't have any cake tins, so I used a non-stick pot. It worked out well. Cake should be bouncy or spongy to the touch. That's the look we're going for. So you want to spread the cream gently over the cake to create the sandwich. Remember, I didn't have any baking equipment, piping stuff, etc. So I just used a table knife. Remember, I cooked my cake in a pot, so I literally just cut the cake in half to create the sandwich and spread the cream over both areas, and then arrange my strawberries as decoratively as you like over the inside, which is the sandwich bit, and the outside. Have fun. So why don't we use creative as you like? Try using different fruits as well. I've used peaches, you could use mandarins, mango slices, kiwi, passion fruit. Be quick, go and create. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.